Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the full stack developer series. This is the next video of the one-to-one table relationship. And in the last video, we just created a relationship from the user, right? We have the user with an address inside it, right? But the address, we don't have the user. So today's lesson, we will create a relationship from the address to the user. So inside the address, we can create an attribute named user like this. And please notice that for because this refer is a reverse from the user. Okay, you can see for the user we have the address column refer to the ID column inside the address table. But in the address, we don't have any thing like the address ID, like a user table, right? We don't have any column like that. So we can make a reference from the address to the user normally on a database by using the join column. We can do that, okay? So because of that, we need to use the one-to-one with the MappedBy attribute, and here we can put the address. So this is a physical related on Java code. Okay, Hibernate we create this just only on the Java code, not on a database. So you can see the name of the MappedBy, this address is the name of the attribute in the user class. You can see this. If you change it to for example, you change it to address 1, you need to change the value here to the address 1 also. Okay, so please notice that. Alright, so after you have the address for the user here, we can right now we can create the repository for the address repository, and now we just get on the list addresses, get on the addresses. Just remove all the remaining method. We won't use this. And for the query, we change it to the address, and now we call from the address, not the user anymore. Yes, the address. Okay, we just finished to create the address repository, and now go back to the app and change a little bit. You can copy this. Oh no, not. Change it to use the address repository, and now instead of define a list of user, we define a list of address. We also change the variable name, refactor rename to the addresses. Okay, and here we call get addresses, and here we have the address. Okay, so now let's run the code. Alright, I forgot to modify overriding. You can see we see just something weird for the printer now because we didn't override the toString method for the address. So we can go to the address and override the toString method. We can return something like this. The first is the ID, right? ID, yeah, and then is the street, and the last one is the city, and then we need to put the user, right? The user information, and here we just plus the user. So because the user already have the toString method itself, so we don't need to print on the attribute in here. So let's try to see what happened. Very interesting. Okay. Let's see. And now you see we have the ID, right? ID 1, street 1, and city 1. And the user, we have the user information in the sub JSON format, like this. Alright, so this is a short video to help you create the reverse relationship from the address to user. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.